Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we are taking a look at a Frankenstein PS3. So as you see there, this is a COK-001 board written there that I had Frankensteined a while back. So I don't show all of them on my videos just because I think it would be boring, but if it isn't, I guess let me know. New old stock 40nm cell. I realized let's see if I can get it in focus. I realized that it's not going to show too clear in the video, but I realized that the cell had two scratches in the die, one here, one there. Oh, sorry. Yeah, one there and one there. Hopefully you can see it. If not, I tried. Basically it was giving error 3032, which is cell related. So I put this on the side for a while, and I have decided that I want to transplant, I guess, parts from another board. So if we come over here, this is what I've been working on for a while, removing parts. So essentially this was a working 90nm board I reballed like 2020, and I kind of messed up all of this area. I forgot what I was doing, so nevertheless I pulled the 90nm just because whatever. Pulled the cell, pulled the Syscon over there, already reballed them, so nice and shiny and ready to go, leaded. Once I reball it, I need to pull this NAND chip and the one on the other side and put it on this board. So essentially today what you're in for is watching me reball a Frankie. I guess combining two COK-001 boards to make one fully working COK-001 board. So hopefully it isn't too difficult. I need to pull this at 218. I have that masked off. On this board, as you see there, it caused a mess. Like, things went left and right. So for that, I just kind of masked off the area. I'm going to use some flux and use my top heater to pull this off. I'll pull this off, put back on the one over there, put back on that guy, and that guy. And then once those are done, I'll pull the NAND. You guys have seen me do it for the red screen of death one, so these aren't hard. I'll just pull and put back, and hopefully that'll get it to work, because this console was on 4 point something when it did work for like a day. But yeah, that's the plan. So from here, we're gonna put you in a weird position to just see me kind of do these things, and hopefully you enjoy.
1 hour later.
Alrighty, we are back. If the last clip wasn't clear, that was the cell being flown back on, and now we are looking at the Syscon chip. Essentially, I'm trying to get it in focus. I pulled 2 pads when lifting, so those 2 there. The one that I didn't fix is a no connect, so it's a no connect, don't need to do anything. The other one that you see, the second one right above it, is I think it's for the Blu-ray drive, or that's what the schematic said. So it wasn't pulled, it was just lifted, so I kind of like slapped some, I forget what it's called, the green coating UV mask, I guess. I masked it, put it back in place, that should be good. Cleaned it up. So from here, I need to flow this guy back on, and once it's cool, we'll get going to the NAND. Sorry about that. But yeah, that's the plan. Honestly, I got a new quick machine. That's what it's called. Quick over there. It's not gonna focus now, but come on. There we go. I got this new quick machine, and I wanted to really try preheating and flowing it back on using that, but I'd rather not tempt my fate. So I'm gonna do what I tried to show in the clip. I'm gonna use the Achi and just flow it back on that way. New chip is leaded, so it'll flow like 185, 190, something like that. So that should be safe, and hopefully this will work. If not, learning experience, right? So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys up and we'll get flowing. Alrighty guys, so I got it all back together. I got into the syscon reading, so I'm assuming my syscon went fine. Console's all back together. Well, not back together, but back like this. So you saw me replace one NAND, I replaced the other one on this side, right over there. Got my heat sinks back on, power supply which is needed, power board, syscon hooked up. Like I said, we're just gonna press bring up and see what happens. That looks like a good sign so far. We're gonna get double blink, yes. And maybe we are gonna boot. Holy smokes. We are going to boot. Wow. I didn't expect this at all, to be honest with you. I thought this console was like, I thought it was done. Wow, that's interesting. We got a black screen, but I think it's because I don't have like a hard drive and all that. But it did come up over there. I might have to reset the display. I don't remember what I did here with the old console, but okay. That's kind of a goodish sign, I guess. I don't remember the... So that's our... Ah, there we go. We got it up. Cool. So I didn't do thermal paste or anything, so I want to make this fast. Those are my logs that it all works. That's my cell temp. I'm going to delid RSX temp, so I'm going to be crazy because I don't have anything. So from here, I'm going to take this all apart, clean everything, put it back together, and we'll come back once that's done. But this is a good progress. Yeah, cool.
Many hours later.
Alrighty, console's put back in most of its togetherness, or as much as I want to put it back together now. So we're just going to power it on. As we see there, green lights to go, lights are flashing. Oh, I don't know what this is. Get out of here. And as you heard there, console, boot it up. Just gonna press okay. Okay. Like this. Console's formatting. Just, I guess, some, you know, PS3 stuff. It seems to be running smooth, but this is kind of different. It's on 4.76, I think, so I don't have it jailbroken, so I won't be able to show you temps or any of that fun stuff, but it does function. So yeah, as you see, everything works. No glitches, none of that. System information 4.76, as you see there. So yeah, that be the entire process of putting this bad boy back together. Well, I guess doing all the fun stuff with it. So yeah, I don't know if you guys like this, thought this was interesting, or want to have any questions about this weird process I did, leave it down below. I may or may not throw in a little update with the whole thing after a while. We'll see.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alrighty guys, so here she is. 1 month later, a few months later actually, I don't remember. But she's working all put back together. Been running it for essentially an hour at this point. So I've been doing this test on and off for the month. 1 hour on, 1 hour off, running the usual Last of Us 2 scene. So as you see there, temps are good. 67 Celsius cell, 53 RSX, fan 27%. As you saw, both RSX and cell were diluted. We pasted everything using ceramic 2. This is it put back together in its case. Like I said, running Last of Us 2. So that's more or less it. Working, didn't lie, all good. And yeah, if you like this type of stuff, if you thought this was interesting or have any PS3 related crazy questions, leave them down below. I'll try my best to answer. As always, if you found this useful or entertaining, like, comment, subscribe. Don't like it if you didn't like it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. See you.